Oxygen. You can't see it, but you need it every second. It's the gas that fuels our lives, the element that makes our planet habitable. Right now you are breathing air that's about 21% oxygen. It's the perfect balance for us and all life on Earth. But what if that balance shifted? Imagine a world where oxygen levels plummeted by 50%. It sounds like a science fiction thriller, but the consequences would be all too real. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. Throughout Earth's history, oxygen levels have fluctuated dramatically. Understanding these past changes can give us clues about what might happen if oxygen levels were to drop significantly again. Join me as we explore the science behind this hypothetical scenario. We'll investigate the potential effects on humans, animals, and the environment. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a breathtaking ride. Breathing seems so simple. We inhale, we exhale, rarely giving it a second thought. But behind this simple act is a complex interplay of gases and biological processes. Oxygen, making up that crucial 21% of our air, is the star of this show. When you breathe, your lungs pull in oxygen and transfer it into your bloodstream. This oxygen fuels your cells, powering everything from your muscles to your brain. Without it, your cells wouldn't be able to produce the energy they need to function. Now imagine cutting that oxygen supply in half. Your body, starved for this essential element, would struggle to function. It's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. At first, you might experience symptoms like shortness of breath, fatigue, and confusion. But the long-term effects would be much more severe, affecting every system in your body. In a world with half the oxygen, humans wouldn't be the only ones struggling. Every breath would be a challenge for animals too. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, all creatures that rely on oxygen would feel the impact. Think about high-altitude environments like mountains. The air is thinner there, meaning there's less oxygen available. People who live at high altitudes have adapted to these conditions over generations, but even they experience difficulties when oxygen levels drop too low. Now imagine that same thin air blanketing the entire planet. Animals wouldn't have the luxury of generations to adapt. Many species, especially those with high metabolisms, might not survive. Imagine a world without the buzz of bees, the chirping of birds, or the roar of lions. The impact on the environment would be just as profound. Plants, which produce oxygen during photosynthesis, would also suffer in this oxygen-depleted world. It's a vicious cycle. Less oxygen means fewer plants, and fewer plants mean even less oxygen. Section 4. A changed planet. Oxygen's impact on Earth. The effects of a 50% drop in oxygen wouldn't stop at the biosphere. Our planet itself would undergo some dramatic transformations. One of the most immediate changes would be a drop in atmospheric pressure. With less oxygen in the air, the overall weight of the atmosphere would decrease. This could lead to a host of strange and unpredictable weather patterns. Remember, oxygen isn't just about breathing. It's also a key ingredient in Earth's protective ozone layer. This layer shields us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. With less oxygen, the ozone layer would weaken, exposing life on Earth to dangerous levels of radiation. The very color of our sky could change. Oxygen molecules scatter blue light more than other colors, which is why the sky appears blue. With less oxygen, the sky might take on a duller, less vibrant hue. Section 5. Protecting our precious oxygen, a task for humanity. The thought of Earth's oxygen levels plummeting by 50% is a sobering one. It's a stark reminder of just how precious and fragile our planet's atmosphere truly is. While a sudden drop like this is unlikely, it highlights the importance of understanding and protecting the delicate balance of gases that make life on Earth possible. Throughout Earth's history, there have been periods of both high and low oxygen levels. Volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and even the evolution of new life forms have all played a role in shaping our planet's atmosphere. By studying these past events, scientists can gain valuable insights into how Earth's systems might respond to future changes in oxygen levels. While we may not be facing an imminent oxygen crisis, it's crucial that we take steps to protect this vital resource. Reducing pollution, combating climate change, and preserving our planet's forests are all essential for ensuring that future generations inherit a world with clean air to breathe. The fate of our planet and all its inhabitants rests on our understanding and respect for the delicate balance of nature. Let's strive to be responsible stewards of this pale blue dot we call home, ensuring that future generations can continue to breathe freely for millennia to come.